I appreciate everyone that's been supporting me, that's been giving me suggestions, liking my videos, commenting, that has subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me if I haven't said it enough, and it really makes my heart smile. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some mini twists on my blown out hair. So for these mini twists, I'll be using the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner with green tea and argan oil. And then I'll be using the Style Factor Edge Booster. Make sure I keep a little length, hopefully. So that's what I'll be using. Video may be a little repetitive because I'm literally just going to be doing small little twists everywhere, but stay tuned if you want to see that process. So for each section that I part off, like this back, I'm going to take some of the leave-in conditioner, but not a lot, because I don't want my hair to start like curling up because there's too much product weighing my hair down. Put a little bit on there. Then I'm gonna get my Tangle Teezer, comb it through. Just make sure that section is detangled. Then I'm just going to start sectioning. This is about how much hair I'm gonna use for a mini twist. Get some of my pomade, put a little bit on there. Boop, boop, boop. Then I'm gonna start twisting. At the ends, I'm going to twirl so I can have that little curl. Because I use the edge control, you see how stiff it is, but eventually it will loosen up. I don't know, y'all. I may have to do them a little bit bigger because look how teeny tiny. But they are mini twists, right? So let me stop complaining and get to it. Let me show y'all the back. Here we go. So they're not all the same size, but that's okay. They're mini enough. So I'm about to finish this top portion. It's not a whole lot, so it shouldn't take me none but like 30 minutes or so, I'm hoping. Okay, so for the front, I'm gonna do a middle part because I wanna be able to wear a middle part with my twists, just be able to wear them down. There we go. Not perfect, but it'll work. I'm gonna use the rat tail comb for the whole front part so I can make sure that my parts look crisp and look good. So I'm going to part it here. This is going to be one twist on its own. So I normally do, well, I feel like I will do one here, split it, two here, and probably just do two on. Just see, if I could fit three, then I'll do three. But I'll start here with that one twist. Now, when I was doing these in the back, I noticed when I put too much of the leave-in conditioner, my twist shrunk up a lot. So I put a little bit of the leave-in conditioner and a lot more of the Style Factor Edge Booster. And then these hairs here, I'm not really gonna try to get them in the twist because that's technically my baby hair. Those are my adult edges. So I'm gonna leave those out. Okay, this side of my mini twists are all done. So while I finish this section, I'm actually going to band this side, which is just stretching them so I can make sure I get some of that length. Okay, so I got these two sections banded so they could stretch while I finish this section. Then with this section, I'm actually going to do another part. So I got my middle, and then I like to wear my hair to the side a lot, like with a side part. So I'm going to create that side part here. That way they kind of, see, it's already straight, permanent. That's how you know I part my hair here a lot. So I'm actually gonna do these twists going this way. That way, when I want to wear my hair to the side, which I'll be doing more, then they'll be able to just fall there naturally. And I will start on this side, and these will be my last twists. Okay, I'm back. It's the end of the day. While wearing my twists throughout the day, I did notice that they were pretty stiff. So I decided to band them, and then I'm gonna do the little lock process on top of my twist to give them a little bit more flow. I think they're stiff because I used a little bit too much of the edge booster. So don't use too much like I did because then they're gonna be super stiff. So I banded my hair just to give it a little bit more stretch. Okay, so this is how my mini twists look after I've banded them. So they are still kind of stiff, but a little bit better than earlier. So what I'm gonna do to get some of that stickiness and stiffness out, I'm gonna do the lock method. So I'm spraying just a little bit of water on my hair. Like not a lot at all. Like I don't want it to be damp or anything, just a little bit of moisture from the water. Rub that in. Then I'm gonna take some of my Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It literally never lets me down. Put too much. Put some more in the bottom. So I'm gonna rub that. Put it on my twist. Again, not too much. And then for my cream, I'm gonna use that same TGIN leave-in conditioner that I used to do my twist. Stick to the same products, Okay, so I put a little bit of that. Put it on my twist, rub it in. I realized after doing these mini twists, well, this is my first time doing them, so it was like trial and error. So I used the edge booster because I wanted some length, so I wanted them to hang. I used too much, so it was sticky and stiff. So I had to, you know, add a little movement to them with the water, you know, add some extra moisture so they won't be so like this. They need to be like this, you feel me? So after doing these mini twists, I have come to the conclusion that I love them. I wanted to do them a little bit smaller actually, but I was on a time crunch when I did them because I did them before work, so I still have to make it on time. But next time, I think I'm gonna do them a little bit smaller, but this is a good size though. Like they're still mini. and they look good. And in all, these twists took me an hour and a half. Record time. I hear people saying it took them 2.5, 3 hours, but honey, y'all was twisting fast. You gotta stay focused, okay? Just keep your eyes on the prize, which is finishing all these twists in your head. So if you were thinking about doing mini twists on your natural hair, I will highly recommend it. I would recommend doing it on blown out hair if you do want to have a little bit of hang time. I would recommend using some good products that you know will moisturize your hair and will, you know, give you a little bit of flow, give you some body. Definitely use some good products that you trust when doing this, because you would hate to do all these twists in your hair and then the products that you choose are trash. So yes, that's what I would suggest. If you want me to do any more natural hairstyles, then definitely let me know. Leave me a comment on hairstyle suggestions. I'm always down to try new stuff, try new styles. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do appreciate y'all. I appreciate everyone that's been supporting me, that's been giving me suggestions, liking my videos, commenting, that has subscribed to my channel. It really means a lot to me if I haven't said it enough, and it really makes my heart smile. On that note, I will see you in my next one.